One of the things you need to take in consideration when you're installing LEDs in the driver is the voltage drop that you may get because of your wire length to the LEDs. Your wires are going to induce resistance to the voltage going from the driver to the LED. So depending on the length of the driver, the length of the wire and the size or diameter of the wire, there will be a certain amount of resistance, and that will drop the voltage down that you actually get to the LEDs. So the longer your wire and the smaller the wire, the lower gauge, the more resistance there'll be, so you won't get all of the potential from the driver to the LEDs. In the industry, an acceptable amount of voltage drop is considered 3% to be able to drive the LEDs with no real visible perceived effect on the LEDs. One of the things that you best consider is using the thicker gauge wire. So like with a 22 gauge wire, your voltage drop is going to be considerably more than a 12 or a 14 gauge wire. Be considerably less. We have a voltage drop calculator on the Magnitude website that you can download for 12 and 24 volts. It'll be different for 12 and 24 volts. 12 volts usually has a substantially more restricted voltage drop. The voltage drop is a little more than 24 volts, and that's really only because you have more voltage to work with. So you can download this chart and look at the wattage, not the wattage of the driver, but the wattage of the LEDs, your total load, and cross-reference that to your wire gauge and the wattage of the load, and that'll tell you the maximum feet of wire that you can use to stay within the 3%. Now you can go lower. You can probably go down to 5% or maybe even a little more, depending on the LEDs, and not have an adverse effect.